Okay guys, I'm back. And wait. Tara ma, oh. Okay, she's I don't know where she is.
Ato ta silong na kay.
Oh, she's online.
Cellphone ko yam.
Okay, wait. I'ma be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just AFK for oh my god. Where's the thing to eat? What this? Is this a food? Why can't I eat? Oh, what is? Yow. Blue. I'm asleep here. Yeah. Red. Wait, is it pink? Is it pink? Okay, I'm gonna be right back. What this? What color? What color is this? Orange. Huh? Okay. Boo, how do they fly? Bruh. Hamster. Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Is anyone here? Okay, no. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Okay, there's nothing there. Lol. Let's go. I'ma run away. I stole someone's carrot. How do I eat it? Oh, I ate it. I eat it. Let's go down. And oh. So where's the beach? Here's the beach. Okay. Mines Lake Campsite Beach. Oh, so here's the beach.
Asa kung kuan no?
I don't know.
Ako yung eucalyptus, I don't know.
Nadira. Nam 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 la 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 la. What the? A cloud. I think I'm at the beach. Oh, I'm really at a beach.
Open the window.
Open the window. There's so many people. Oh, what this? Is there coconut? Coconut. There's none. Oh, there, coconut. Hello there. Mama,
Kita mo yam?
mama. Dula ta pony town.
Yam.
Mama, dula ta pony town.
Ito mo lang punitaw na muna ko.
Pony town ra.
Nak!
Wait. You like that? Just wait. Me.
Saan kayo? Saan ka?
Nam. Guys, I basically ate
Nagtatago ka na
someone's
naman?
banana.
Nagtatago ka na naman?
That. Me stuck. What here? What? I'ma take an apple and buy. Nom nom.
Nagtatago ka na naman?
Going far. I didn't see this before.
Huwag na magtawag. Uy, busy mo ka.
Can it fire me?
Ano?
No, no. I'm
Huwag
running
naman
away.
tinitingnan mo.
Okay. Aba
Ba
niya.
naman tinitingnan mo? Ako nga, naka full screen yung mukha mo.
There's none there. Bro, I can't go down the screen.
Nag-ano na lang din ako. Ikaw na una eh.
Oh
Kanina
dear.
naka full
This is
screen
what
yung
I'm
mukha
looking
mo.
at.
Focus ako sa'yo.
Nom nom.
Ba naman tinitingnan mo?
Nom nom. Nom nom.
Ngayon lang. Iba nga ni tinitingnan mo.
Bep, 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 bep. Guys, look. Bep, 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 bep. If I get a purple grape, then I will play with my friends.
Bukas na libing, di ba?
One last. Okay, this is the last. Okay, it's just a mango.
Bukas na libing, di ba?
Lonely. I'm still lonely. I wanna find the maze thing. Where's the maze? The maze. The maze. Where? What this color? Is it pink? Never mind. Espada. Okay. Where's the maze? Okay. It didn't tell me where the maze is, so it's I don't know. I don't know where the maze is. I don't know where the maze is. Eh. Is there? Can you see me? Can you draw? Okay, it's not here. What? Barrel storage, no. Okay, I'm gonna just go somewhere. What is a little bridge? What is my pony looking at? Why is it looking there? Are you looking at the tree? Okay. Bakery carrot farm. Oh, carrot farm. I'm gonna go to carrot. So I can steal the carrot. There's no carrot. It scammed me. At least I found carrot. Hello? Nom nom. Okay. Where's the maze? Where's the maze? Hey, I have a little house. Eh. Bro, you can literally just find here like this. Bro, where's the maze? The maze. Let's go here. Nom nom. Let's get it. So I have to find something. Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is. Oh, what the? What? Yay. I'ma give it to a random person. Not that person right there. Putting their dick. Ooh, I'm basically alone if I go here. Bro. Where do I put the random plate? Yeah. Bye. I'ma study here. Yay. Now my pony's reading. Let's just wait. Never mind. Bro, if you go here, it turns invisible. Okay. What is? Welcome to the Wrestling Leaves Library. Okay. Yeah. Help. Oh. Guys, look at my pony. Oh, it's laughing. Is there a black person? Wait, it's the maze. It's the maze. Yeah. Yo, how do I get there? How do I oh. How do I get in that bed thing? Me and my friend Nova literally just got here. And we don't know where to go. Okay, it's hard. So you go here and how do you get there? Let me take a closer look. Bro, there's like a secret path here. Whoa. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yay! Where did I put it? Bro, it's like the lantern thing. Nom nom. Nom nom. No, I want the deer thing. Nom nom. Okay, now let's go back. How do I go back? Oh. Let's go. Let's go. I found the maze thing and I don't know where to go. Bro. Oh my god. I don't know where to go. Wow. There's blocking the way. Okay. I see you there, pal. I see you. Oh, there's a path. Where do I go? Can I click this? Oh, what this? What this? Bro, like this is like gold. I can still get this cookie. Nom nom. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Where did I come from? Here? Oh yeah. That maze was funny. Fun. Campsite. Forest. Bro, it's already forest. Okay. So now this is the forest. Nom nom. If I pick up, ew. You guys know I didn't finish my sentence because of nothing. Bro. I already come here. Is this supposed to be a chair? Okay, so this is a chair. Okay, never mind. A carrot book. I think that carrot book is made out of carrots. What is this? Purple, yellow, and blue. Every other day I'm wondering what's a human being gotta be like. Lol. I'm basically just low. Finally, peace. Every other day I'm wondering. Okay guys, okay guys, I'm gonna end the video. Bye.